Hi, I hope you are well. I'm Mr. Rajib, a professional web developer and WordPress expert. Welcome to my another tutorial video. Today I will show what is a global widget of Elementor and how it works. So let's see. I'm on the dashboard of a WordPress website. So I have created a few pages on the dashboard to show it, and I will open these pages in the edit panel of Elementor. Okay, I'm opening those pages. Okay, so where we will get the global widget. So let's go to the dashboard, and you see there have an option like templates. Click on there, and you will see. Click on the wall, and you will see there have an option like global widget. Click on there, and there have the options. Okay, as we didn't created any global widget, so it's blank. So let's create a global widget, and we will see how it will work and how we can create it. Okay. So I want to create this button as global widget. So I have added this button on the home page, and on the about page also. We have to open the service page also. I have added that also on the service page. So let's see. Okay, this is the button, normal button of Elementor page builder. This is the button I have just designed to show. So I want to, this is another button, and this is the another button. So let's see how we can do that. So I want as this button, like I want to change this, make this button as globals, because I want to keep this button on the home page, also on the about page, and on the service page. But I if I keep this button on these pages, then if we want to change something on this button, then we have to change from every pages every time. But I don't want to change every time from every pages. I want to change from on page, but it will change from all other page also. So let's see how we can do that. So click on the right button of your mouse, and you will see there have option like save as a global. Just click on there, and I'm just keeping a name here, global button. It's just a dummy name. So click on there, and you will see, just reload it. You'll see there have a global widget like global button. I have created it. So here I can get that. So go to the globals from here, 9 dots, and there have an option like elements, and this is the global. This is all these all are from Elementor page builder, and these and these will be appear from our created. Okay, so as I have created this button as global, if you sorry, if you click on there, you will see there have a reminder like your global widget is locked. So if you want to unlock it, you have to click on there. I mean, if you want to change anything, you have to click on this edit, and it will change. So I want to remove this also, remove it also from the service page. So how we can add that global button? As I have created a global button, I can remove from here also, remove it. Okay, sorry, as I have already created this one, so we have to go to here and just reload it. As I have created from the home page, I have to reload all other pages as these all are in edit panel. So we have to reload that to get the global widget updated. Okay, so go to the global widget and drag it here also on this page. Go to the global, and you can drag and drop. So you see here also here. So let's update. So I want to check those pages. Okay, on this page. So let's see. On the home page, this is the button. On the about page, this is the button, and on the service page, this is the button. So I want to change this button text as a contact us. So how we can do that? If you hover on there, just make it clear. Remove this and just clear. Go to the, so if you hover on there, you see there in this position there have a hash, there have no any link with the contact page. So go to the this button and click on there, and you have to click on edit. Just click on there and we can change this contact us, and you will see there have no any link, just a hash. We want to change this to contact page. So you see this is the link, edit. So update it, go to the home page, you will see, just reload it one more time. Sorry, this is contact page, sorry, contact us. Change from the click here text, and you see there have a link with the contact page on the bottom here. You see the contact. Also go to the about page. What happened? Still here, click here, just reload it, and you will see this is also the contact, same link. Also go to the service, this also still click here, update it, sorry, reload it, and you will see this is contact us. And I want to change from this button. So as I have created from the home page, that's not a problem. I want to change from anywhere else. I mean from another page. Like I want to change from the service page. So go to there, click on edit panel, and you will see we have to reload it. Sorry, because as we have changed from the home page, you have to keep in mind that you have changed from the home page. Make sure you are reloading from the other page. As we had just opened these pages first time, so we have to reload it. Okay. So go to this button, and I'm changing this from the about page, you see, and I want to change the background color of the button. Okay, the button black to red. So sorry, you see, this is the about page, and go to the about page, reload it. You see, this is the red color. Go to the home page, still it's black. Just reload it, and you'll see it's got red. Also the service page. So wherever you change, if that's set up as global, it will change from everywhere. If you change from on page on for or from any portion. So I want to show another thing from, like, as I have created a button like this way. So go to the pages, reload it, and you see there have an option like global button. But now I want to change add another item, like as this is a newsletter, we can keep it from some I mean in some pages, like on the home page, sorry, in the home page, in the service page, in the about page, we can keep it any pages. So as this is same, we can make this also as global. So how we can do it? Just right click on it and save as global. So global news letter. Okay, I'm making this, and you see now you want to change, you have to edit. Same, just you can change from here, but if we make it global, we cannot do that. Just delete it also from the service page, as I will add that global. Update it, also update it. So go to the now go to the template. You see there have option an option. Reload it. You will see there have another option. Global newsletter form. We just added a few seconds ago. So reload. You see, go to the about us. There have no form. So we have to add the globals. Reload it. Sorry. Also remove it. Reload it. As it will come up on the global portion. You see, this is the global newsletter. Just drag and drop here. Also from here, drag and drop here. So if you want, if you change from anywhere, like I am changing from the about page, go to the style, and I'm changing the button color as red. So red, you see, this is from about page. I'm changing it. Reload it from the about page. It's still black, and now it's red. See, and if you reload from the service page, same red. It will get the red color. Also the home page, you see, it's still black. If you reload it, it's getting red color. So you can change from any page if that setup is set as a global widget, it will change from everywhere or wherever have that global widget set up in the website. So I think you got the idea. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and please share with your friends. I appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.